I used to wonder why I felt exhausted by 11 a.m. despite eating healthy and exercising. Are you also waking up tired even after 8 hours of sleep? Feeling stressed before your day even begins? The problem isn't your alarm clock or your schedule. It's these 10 morning habits that are secretly destroying your energy and mood before you even have your first cup of chai. Welcome back to Lekita's Foodie Studio. Today, let's understand the 10 morning habits that ruin your day. What if I told you that 90% of the people ruin their entire day within the first 30 minutes of waking up? These 10 common morning mistakes are keeping us tired, anxious, and unproductive, and you probably don't even realize you are doing them. Before you grab your phone, skip your breakfast, or rush out the door, watch this video. These 10 morning habits are scientifically proven to increase your stress hormone, drain your energy, and set you up for a terrible day. Let's start our list with habit number one, hitting the snooze button that we all do every morning. Hitting snooze creates sleep inertia, a state of grogginess that can last for an extra 30 minutes, disrupting your natural sleep rhythm. Those extra minutes are not restorative. They lead to fragmented sleep, preventing your body and mind from achieving the true rest. Habit number two, checking your phone immediately. This is the favorite of all of us, right? 80% of adults check their phone within the 15 minutes of waking up. This instantly exposes you to stress and information overloaded. Premature exposure to notifications and news spikes the cortisol level up to 25%, initiating your day with unnecessary stress. So, how many of you had your breakfast today? Skipping breakfast, a habit of 31% of adults, leads to mid morning energy crash and impaired concentration. It reduces cognitive performance by 15 to 20% by lunchtime, impacting your productivity and focus. Our habit number four in the list is not hydrating properly. Dehydration, even just 1 to 2%, impairs cognitive function by 10%, affecting your mood, focus, and energy levels. A lack of immediate hydration can cause morning headache and persistent fatigue, hindering a fresh start to your mornings. Most of us lack an effective morning routine. Without a structured routine, mornings become rushed and chaotic, leading to a 20% lower perceived daily productivity. This increases decision fatigue even before your workday begins, diminishing your mental energy. Our habit number six is rushing and poor time management. Rushing elevates stress hormone like adrenaline by 25%, increasing the likelihood of mistakes and missed details. It cultivates feeling of being overwhelmed and unprepared, negatively affecting your entire day's outlook. The next habit in our list is avoiding the natural light exposure. Avoiding natural light delays your internal clock, leading to persistent fatigue and affecting melatonin productions. It can also lower your mood and energy levels by 10 to 15%, making a positive start challenging. Engaging in doom scrolling is our next habit. Constant exposure to negative news increases anxiety and can rise perceived stress levels, by 15 to 20%. Doom scrolling detracts from cultivating a positive, proactive mindset for your daily activities. Our final and habit number 10 is negative self talk or complaining. Engaging in negative self talk reinforces pessimistic thought patterns early on, reducing motivation and problem solving abilities. This habit sets a pessimistic tone for daily interactions, affecting your relationship and overall outlook. Well, how bad these mornings impact your day? Minor negative habits cumulatively degrade overall well being and daily performance. Experience up to 40% decrease in efficiency and output throughout your day. Fatigue and stress impair cognitive function, leading to suboptimal choice. Setting a negative emotional baseline impacts your outlook and interactions with your circle. Your morning routine is the foundation of a successful day. Pick just one habit from these lists to eliminate starting tomorrow. Whether it's keeping your phone away for the first hour or preparing a nutritious breakfast the night before, small changes create big impact and transformations. Remember, you have complete control over how your day begins. By avoiding these 10 habits, you are choosing energy over exhaustion, calm over chaos, and success over stress. Your future self will thank you for making these changes starting from tomorrow. Now, you know the 10 morning mistakes that could be ruining your days. Which habit will you tackle first? Comment below and tell me which habit surprised you the most. If this video initiated your thought process, hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips that actually work in real life. If you enjoy learning about healthy morning habits, check out my YouTube shorts for breakfast detox smoothie and 50 fantastic salad series recipes for sustained energy and my meal prep videos for stress-free mornings. Subscribe for weekly wellness tips that fit into your busy lifestyle. Here is to better your mornings and better your days ahead. Thank you for joining us. I will see you soon.